This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 16, Exit Ticket. Today is all about zeros and ones, which, when you think about it, is pretty easy, but they can be a little tricky sometimes. So let's look at our first problem. Blank times 1 equals 5. Okay, so I have one group, and I know the total is 5. So how many's in it? That would be 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. The rule is anything times 1 equals itself. So it's 5 times 1, it equals 5. If it's 100 times 1, it equals 100. If it's 57 times 1, it equals 57. Anything times 1 equals itself. Number 4, 6 times blank equals 6. That's the same rule. It equals itself, so it's 6 times 1. Number 5, blank divided by 7 equals 0. Here's our rule with zeros. Anything multiplied or divided by 0 equals 0. So 0 divided by 7 equals 0. If you have 0 cookies, can you divide them into 7 parts? No, you cannot, because there isn't anything there. Okay, number 6, 5 times blank equals 0. Okay, here's 0 cookies. It doesn't matter if you have 5 groups because there's 0 in each group. So 5 times 0 equals 0. Number 7, 1 equals 9 divided by blank. Ooh, this is a good one. This is our rule. Anything divided by itself equals 1. So the answer is 9 divided by 9. If we have 9 groups, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there's 9 groups. And we have 9 total. Let's divide it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many is in each group? 1. There you go. Number 8. 8 equals 1 times blank. Anything times 1 equals itself. So 1 times 8 equals 8. Okay, Lewis divides 8 by 0 and says it equals 0. Is he correct? So what's our rule? Anything divided by or multiplied by 0 is 0. You can't multiply if you have nothing, and you can't divide if you have nothing. So yes, he is correct. 8 divided into 0 groups is 0.